You're scrolling through TikTok and BAM. An ad for invalid URL removed flashes across your screen. Borrow money instantly, it promises. Sounds enticing, right? But hold on. Before you dive headfirst into a loan, let's dig deep and figure out if invalid URL removed is actually safe and legit. Now, we all need a little extra cash sometimes. Maybe it's for that dream vacation, an unexpected car repair, or just to cover those pesky bills. And online lenders like invalid URL removed seem to offer a quick and easy solution. But with so many scams out there, it's crucial to do your research before handing over any personal information. So, is invalid URL removed safe? Let's break it down. First off, legitimacy. Invalid URL removed appears to be a legitimate online lending platform. They're transparent about their lending process and clearly state their terms and conditions. You can usually find this information on their website. But here's the thing, online lending can be risky. High interest rates are common, and missing payments can lead to serious consequences, like damage to your credit score and even potential debt collection issues. That's why it's absolutely vital to understand the terms of any loan before you agree to it. Now, let's talk red flags. Be wary of any lender that promises guaranteed approval, offers loans with no credit check, or pressures you to make a decision quickly. These could be signs of a potential scam. Before you apply for a loan with invalid URL removed or any other online lender, do your due diligence. Read reviews from other borrowers. Look for complaints or negative experiences on platforms like Trustpilot or the Better Business Bureau. Checking with your local consumer protection agency is also a good idea. Remember, online lending isn't the only option. Explore other avenues like borrowing from family or friends, seeking a personal loan from a traditional bank, or considering a credit builder loan. These options might have lower interest rates and more flexible repayment terms. And most importantly, only borrow what you absolutely need and can realistically afford to repay. Create a budget and stick to it. This will help you avoid falling into a cycle of debt. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Stay informed and borrow responsibly.